Fun fact, but the word thesis means position. So a thesis statement is simply your position on a topic. It's usually located at the end of your introduction and relatively 1 to 2 sentences long. The process of developing a thesis statement is actually quite simple. So first, you need a researchable topic. Then you want to ask yourself a question regarding that topic, because upon answering it is when you can develop that good, strong thesis statement. So in other words, a thesis statement should contain these 3 components. An easy way to remember this is think of your topic as point A and your thesis statement is point B. Your research question is the directions that get you from point A to B. Let's go ahead and walk through this process. Starting with step 1, which is developing our topic. For this video series, our general given topic is interpersonal relationships. In the previous video, we developed this into the researchable topic of the impact excessive social media use has on developing and maintaining healthy interpersonal relationships. Now we need to turn this into a research question, which is step 2. My favorite way to do this is to apply the words what and how to the topic. So what impact does excessive social media use ... or how does excessive social media use impact ... I will then take these questions and perform preliminary research to see what the current state of information is about this topic. While you're doing this, you want to start drawing connections between the variables in your topic. So what is being said about social media and interpersonal relationships? Is there a common keyword that you keep seeing being repeated? Or how about any conclusions or outcomes that multiple articles are reaching? You want to make sure that you write a few statements based on the information that stands out to you. So for example, when I did this research, I saw that using social media for connection can lead to feelings of loneliness and detachment from reality, or that it will weaken your essential communication skills, and also that while social media increases communication channels, it prioritizes digital interactions over in-person bonding. Next, you're going to use this information to create a working thesis statement. An easy way to do this is to summarize the information you gathered during your preliminary research. For example, social media has increased the availability of communication channels, but it has damaged an individual's ability to develop and maintain interpersonal relationships. I feel pretty good about that. So in order to finalize this, we need to run what I like to call the 3-component test, where we're simply going to check for the 3 components. So first, is my topic present? Yep, it's right there. Next, is my position clear? Also good to go there. And finally, is logical evidence included? No, actually, there is no reason being given for why we're holding the position we have. That means that our working thesis did not pass the 3-component test, so we need to revise it. What you're going to do is use that your position is that social media causes damage, and now ask a more focused question of how does social media cause that damage? You may already know the answer to this due to your preliminary research, but if you need more clarity, repeat the process. Take this question, do some more research, pay attention to the themes, patterns, what's being said, and then use that information to create another working thesis statement. It might look something like this. While social media has increased the availability of communication, excessive use undermines meaningful interpersonal relationships by promoting superficial interactions, reducing essential nonverbal communication cues, and promoting detrimental social comparisons. Now our evidence is present because it includes a brief overview of the 3 key reasons that support our position. So our working thesis is now a finalized thesis statement, meaning we can move on to the next step in the essay writing process, which is to create a structure for our essay, which is exactly what I do in this video next.